Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chelsea and today I'm going to show you how I turned what used to be my home office into a cozy, dark and moody bedroom. Before we get started, I wanted to tell you that portions of this video is sponsored by Kroger, but we'll get back to that later in the video. A few months ago, I moved my bed and all of my other furniture in here, but I didn't really do anything else. Things were just kind of randomly placed around. I started with just clearing everything off of this one wall because I knew I wanted to remove those shelves, patch the holes, and repaint. Since I already liked the general look and feel of this space, I simply repainted over the holes that I had patched with the existing color, which is a matte fine black from Magnolia Home. Above the bed, I replaced the white shelves with these simple art pieces that I picked up from Target. The canvas in the middle I had lying around, but I thought it was a perfect fit for this space. Next to the bed, I placed these marble and gold bedside tables, which hold this minimalist task lamp, a fake succulent because I have the opposite of a green thumb, and my Google Nest Hub, which is perfect for turning off and on my kitchen and living room lights downstairs, checking my cameras, and setting an alarm for in the mornings. On the other side of the bed, I have another fake plant, this MagSafe phone charger. I also have a notebook and pen because most of my best ideas come from dreams, so I usually wake up and write them down before I forget them. On the wall opposite of the bed, I hung this small mirror, some family photos, as well as some other personal items I had lying around to give the room a nice personal feel. And that was it. Overall, I'm super happy with how this quick and easy makeover transformed this space, from a dark and moody office to a dark and cozy bedroom. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and follow me on Instagram. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one. As a busy working mom who has recently decided to remodel her house, it is nearly impossible to make it to the grocery store. Luckily, I have Boost by Kroger Plus to help me out. Boost elevates everything Kroger has to offer across grocery, healthcare, and more, giving you access to a new level of savings and benefits. For more information regarding Boost by Kroger Plus, click the link in the description below.